Can you narrate a brief history of Rabwah to us?
Brief history of Rabwah. You know, there's very little time left, and your question requires a longish answer. In short, I can tell you, in the beginning, Rabwah was a deserted place, and people used to fear all sorts of animals and also dacoits, particularly when we used to pass Darra. You know Darra, what is it called? Darra Khyber and Darra Fulan. Pass is called, just pass. We used to drive our cycle very fast, afraid of that Darra. And when we reached Rabwah, we said, Alhamdulillah, at last we have reached. It was all desert and visited by wolves. There's so many wolves who entered Rabwah, and even in the daytime, you could see wolves passing through. And also in Rabwah, there were many snakes. So many snakes and scorpions that during our early stay there, on the roof of the houses, there were snakes and scorpions which kept falling upon us. So it was a very dangerous place. There seemed to be no peace. And with the grace of Allah, the same desert has now become a place of peace and shelter, particularly during floods. All the people around who have no other place to take shelter, they come to Rabwah, and Rabwah becomes like a inverted bowl, and it gives shelter to these people. Many a time it has happened. So it is really a Darul Aman.
রাবওয়া সম্পর্কে সংক্ষিপ্ত কিছু ইতিহাস রাবওয়ার বর্ণনা করতে বলেছে আকাশ।
আজ সির্ফ শকর কি বারি, ये गाने की आपकी नहीं है।